So we're here with Mark Roper, who is installing a bat detection device. Tell us about it, Mark.
Yeah, we're installing Wildlife Acoustics MiniBat 2 bat detectors. And we're installing them on a pole. This is my pool cleaning pole for anyone who's seen me deploy them before. This gets the detector nice and high up in the air. We've got a creek behind Peter who's filming. Some really nice old native trees, including some matai here. We're in a production forestry block on a small tributary of the Tuki River. And we're just doing some basic detection surveys to see if there's bats present in the area. We've got a detector on a spring-fed wetland about 200 metres further up the catchment. So this bat detector here will sit here for a couple of weeks, and hopefully we'll pick up some roosting activity or foraging and commuting behaviour of these bats and add them to the distribution map for Hawke's Bay.